Welcome to the Breadstone Ovens Company. Today we're going to be making wood-fired cinnamon apples. We have some apple juice, apples, brown sugar, mixed nuts, raisins, cinnamon, caramel, and melted butter. We're going to start with coring the apples. We're going to first remove the top of the apples, and then we're going to use a corer to remove the inside. Okay, while we're at it, we're going to make a small flat side at the bottom, just to make sure they are nice and stable in the pan. Now we're going to take the corer and remove the inside. Once we have the apples cored, we're going to put them back in the pan. Once it is nicely mixed, we're going to put it inside and on top of the apples. Once we have the apple nicely covered, we're going to take the butter and we're going to very gently pour a little bit on each apple. And then we're going to fill the bottom of the pan with the apple juice. About an inch of liquid is enough. We're going to cover the dish with aluminum foil and we're going to put it in the oven. Right, the apples are nicely cooked in the brick oven and the nuts have nicely caramelized. I recommend you serve it with a spoon into a bowl. Very nice and juicy. Add a few nuts just for decoration and drizzle with caramel. And a scoop of vanilla ice cream will be a perfect addition to this dessert. Enjoy!